Bamboo Symphony, the office of Manasaram Architects, is an attempt to rebrand bamboo as a desirable material and replace steel, concrete and other unsustainable materials. The design showcases the inherent strength of a single bamboo come, taking inspiration from age-old traditional fishing platforms in India, truly synergetic structures, harmoniously defining the spaces, and creating a feel of extreme lightness. In nature we find several such synergetic structures, like cobweb for example. The reason for their efficiency is homogeneous load distribution, which efficiently leads to global synchronization. Interestingly, the tensile strength of spider silk is greater than the same weight of steel and has much greater elasticity, just like bamboo. The site is in front of the architect's residence with 9 meters roads on 2 sides and facing a 1-acre park on the northern side. The form of the building evolved from the need to achieve visual continuity with the green roof of the adjacent residence. Visual connectivity was a main criteria to enable easy communication. Building orientation and roof form allow for strong northeast and southwest winds to blow over the structure without any drafts within. We tried to learn from our ancestors' technology, working out the various combinations in order to balance the forces. Physical models made it easier to understand the load distribution. The structure of the building is its most unique feature. It has been designed as a hybrid of synergetic and tense-gritty systems. The columns in Bamboo Symphony, though look haphazardly placed, have definite position, size and inclinations. The roof was allowed to define its own shape as per the flow of the forces, naturally, like a fabric assuming its shape. The slab is cast with bamboo fiber reinforced concrete, which is light and reduces the load on the columns. We are 100% self-sufficient for water with a 75,000 liters of RWH sump to take care the year round. Rooftop rainwater from the office as well as the adjacent residence is harvested in the Lotus Pond. Separate lines for grey and black water with Dualt's treatment system allows us to recycle water for flushing and landscaping purposes. A 1.6 kilowatt solar wind hybrid is installed with the grid power supply. In future, another 2 kilowatt PV would take care of the power requirement with grid as standby. The whole roof was assembled with old bamboos first, for full-scale testing. Workers walked over each junction on the beam to test the structure. The single bamboo beams crisscross each other for homogeneous distribution of loads. Bamboo split mat was used as main reinforcement. A thin coat of plaster enabled the holding of concrete. The building interacts with the ecosystem at micro and macro levels. It strives to be a living entity, responding and growing like any other living being, from rains to chilly winters, from dawn to dusk, or from spring to summer.